We are very honored and happy today to have so many distinguished guests and to be hosting such a special exhibition from a very good friend of Roca Galleries, Roberto Bannura and Holl Architects.
If you went through the whole video, you're probably going to get a strong sense about what is the philosophy of Stephen Holl. The idea, based on my understanding, the Stephen's idea, is not only just the idea to doing the architecture. And then phenomena is not just a single, okay, we finished our building. Not really. He wants to, to dialogue with people.
In our school, we are discussing this. Is design still an autonomous discipline? Probably no longer so. They need to interact with our life, and is the change of our lives that design showing its evidence of power? So we are very much interested in how this change in life may be reflected and somehow interact with the development of the discipline.
Talking about idea and phenomena, which is a crazy subject to have an exhibition on because of what Zhu Pei said. These subjects are better experienced. They can be explained, but they're much better experienced. The topic of this exhibition falls within a larger umbrella, which are the 7 aims of our practice. We have reconfigured the way we do work in the last several years, not only about the work itself, but also how we do it, how we work with one another, and how we work with our clients and collaborators. The first aim is every project is purpose-driven. Every project has a strong idea. That idea is strong enough to take the project all the way through its completion and inform each one of the stages of design. We strive to create spaces for the public, and that can be done in a private building, like many of our works here in China, or in a public building as well. We love to work with different types of light exposures and how that affects our buildings. We love to experiment with materials as well and craft details that convey a sense of the concept and also the tactile perspective of the project. We work together as a big bunch of individuals who contribute tremendously to each one of the projects we do. Anchoring, every project is site-specific. It follows an idea that relates to the site in a physical way, but also in its culture.
I'm Stephen Holl here in the Archive building in Rhinebeck. It was 20 years ago, this coming December, when I made my first trip to China. Really a great pleasure to open this exhibition and to continue working in China. Anyway, enjoy.